Passover and the Easter holiday weekend now underway. Lots of families coming together, and the weather's important. People want to get a family photo outside.
Okay. A lot of folks traveling, going somewhere else, and so they kind of want to get out of here too because maybe storms are on the way. Either way it goes, coming or going, we want good weather.
We're going to have good weather for Easter Sunday. Between now and then, it still looks a little dicey, especially for tonight and especially for tomorrow. We're going to be close to the weather system that brought all of that severe weather that Andrea showed you across the southern part of the country. We're on the cooler side of that system, and here's proof. Temperatures didn't move much today. 41 at 7 a.m. We were 43 at noon. Right now, only 45 degrees. Not much of a difference between the low and the high because of the clouds and because of the rain. Speaking of rain, this is live Doppler 13 radar. We're tracking some steadier rain. Northwestern sections of Putnam County, just north of Greencastle. We've got some steadier rain near Cloverdale, Avon, Martinsville. And it's interesting, the rain is not moving from west to east. So Bloomington and Spencer, what you see to your south, is actually moving your way, showing you the movement and the reason why we've got the center of this storm system spinning across the southeastern sections of the country. Everything circulating counterclockwise around it, which is the reason we're going to continue to see these rain bands move back to the west and in our direction. Parts of North Carolina and Virginia actually still under the threat for severe weather. Locally, definitely feeling the cool air with this weather system where we've got the clouds and the rain only in the 40s. Where they're dry, 57 in Springfield, only 49 in Champaign. We're going to see a very similar temperature difference locally during the day tomorrow. Western part of the state will have the sunshine and the warmth. The rest of us, we're going to be cool, damp, and we can't rule out, especially early in the day tomorrow, the rain may mix with a few pockets of sleet or a couple of snowflakes, perhaps some steadier rain first thing tomorrow morning. Again, everything moving back from the east, moving to the west. It does come to an end just in time for Sunday. It clears out and we warm up. Sunday afternoon, we're still forecasting sunshine and 70 for your Easter Sunday. Cool, damp, may get close to 60 for the western part of the state. Everybody else 45 to 50 with rain tomorrow. A few mixed showers possible too. Sunshine for Easter Sunday, 70, 74 Monday. Rain chances return early next week, Tuesday, Wednesday.